In the chapter we have to discuss about types of physical quantities and types of vectors. So we already know physical quantities are two types, which is based on unit systems, fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. In this chapter we have to discuss about the types of physical quantities. It is depends on magnitude and direction. So the physical quantities are two types. First one is the vectors and the second one is the scalars. So how we can define vectors? Which physical quantities have both the first one is the magnitude and the second one is the direction. So which physical quantities, whose physical quantities have both the magnitude and direction have the physical quantities are called vectors. So the example of vector is displacement, second one velocity, next one acceleration, force, so etc. In the same manner, the second one is the types of physical quantities are scalar. These scalar quantities, scalar physical quantities have only one. It have only magnitude. So whose physical quantities have magnitude, only magnitude, the physical quantities are called scalars. In this chapter we have to discuss about the types of vectors. So we have to discuss about types of vectors. In this chapter we have to discuss about the first one is the unit vector and second one is the null, or it is also called zero vector, and third one is the position vector. So these three types of vectors are discussed in this chapter. So first one is the unit vector. Already we know what is the meaning of vector. Vector quantity have, any vector quantity have both the magnitude and direction. So whose physical quantities have magnitude and direction? The quantities, the physical quantities are called vectors. In this vector we have to earlier about the unit vector, zero vector, position vector. So first one is the unit vector. Let we have to discuss about the unit vector. So what is the meaning of unit vector? Whose vector? A vector have magnitude. The magnitude is equal to 1. So whose vector magnitude is 1? The vectors are called unit vector. So the unit vector magnitude is always equal to unitary, means unity value. So the value is 1. So let me have to take some example. It is depend on coordinate system. So let I have to take into three-dimensional plane. The three-dimensional plane have three axes. First one is the x-axis, second one y-axis, and z-axis. Let we have to origin. So along with x-axis, the vector is represented by I cap. Along with y-axis, the vector is represented by j cap. Next one, along with z-axis, the vector is represented by k cap. So I cap, j cap, k cap are the three vectors along with x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So the magnitude of I vector means mod or determined magnitude of I cap is equal to 1. So second one, the magnitude of j cap is equal to 1. The magnitude of k cap is equal to 1. So in this figure we have to observe that I cap, mod of I cap is equal to mod of j cap is equal to mod of k cap is equal to 1. So both are those are the mod I cap, mod j cap, mod k cap is equal to 1. Means all the vectors magnitude, means I vector magnitude is equal to 1, j vector magnitude is equal to 1, k vector magnitude is equal to 1. So all the vectors are called unit vectors. And the same manner, second one is the null vector, and it is also called zero vector. So second one is null vector, and also called it is zero vector. So first one is the unit vector means whose vector magnitude is equal to 1. So the vector magnitude is equal to 1. It is called unit vector. In this manner, same one, the null vector means zero vector magnitude is equal to 0. So whose vector magnitude is equal to 0, the vector is called zero vector. So the zero vector is represented by 0 bar or O bar. So it is called null vector. Unit vector magnitude is equal to 1. In the same manner, the null vector magnitude is equal to 0. And the same one, third one is the position vector. Let we have to discuss about the position vector. This is the third one. So the position vector, let we have discuss about the sum map. This is the coordination system. It have three axes: x axis, y axis, z axis. The three axes though, it is called origin at point. Particles are the object position P and I cap along with x axis and j cap along with y axis and k cap along with z axis. So at point P, the coordinates are x comma y comma z. What is the meaning of position vector? We have to discuss about the position vector. We have to take a three-dimensional plane and that we have to take a three vectors I cap, j cap, k cap. Three vectors are along with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So it is the origin represented by 0. So at the point P, the coordinates are x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. So what is the meaning of position vector? In this manner, already we know zero vectors means the vector magnitude is equal to 0. Unit vector means the vector magnitude is equal to 1. But the position vector magnitude, we have to represent the mod r bar. So the distance between the O to P is represented by r bar. So what is the meaning of position vector? How we can define the position vector? Where the particle position, where the object position describe a vector whose vector can indicate the, whose vector can represent the position of the particle, the vector is called position vector. Whose vector, which vector can represent the position of the particle. This is the position of the particle, this is the position of the object. So whose vector represents the position of the particle, position of the object, the vector is called position vector. In this diagram, we already know, in this diagram we can take the position of the particle at point P. So the distance from the origin means OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to, so the position vector is xi plus yj plus zk. This is called position vector. So what is the magnitude of position vector? So we can take mod of R bar. It is also called mod of OP bar is equal to under root of, what are the coefficient of I, j, k, x, y, z? So x square plus y square plus z square. This is the determinant of the magnitude of the position vector. So what is the meaning of position vector? Whose vector, which vector can represent the position of the particle, the vector is called position vector. What is the position vector? Where O to P is the position vector, the position vector is represented by R bar. So mod of R bar is equal to mod of OP bar is equal to under of x square plus y square plus z square.